Good morning, everybody. We are here. We are ready to roll. What do we got going on in the markets today? My goodness, I'm going to tell you, we should probably brace for some volatility today. We've got, oh, that's not AMC. We've got AMC sitting up 4.24% right now, sitting at $16.69. Shiba, $22.40. GameStop, $109.60 right now, up 10% on the day for GameStop. Frog sitting at $1.52, down 1% right now. NASDAQ up a beautiful 2.2% at this point. Listen, guys, I would expect the volatility to come in because we've got the Fed announcement today. We've been up, we've been down, we've been trading all around, and it's only 11:45. So we've got our work cut out for us today, but it's going to be looking good. Let's jump over to the chat. Who we got first in the chat? Oh, yeah, that's right. The robot over there. Frank, man, first in the chat, as always. Crypto Rocketeer. Boom, baby, dabbing on them as always. Julia Gulia, Victor, Julia Gulia, Shitsu Inu, Crypto Rocketeer, Julia Gulia, Shitsu, Pika, Power, Paul, Outdoor Smile, Julia Gulia, William Davis, what's going on, man? Frank, Julia, Paul, Frank, Julia, Pika, Outdoor Smile, Julia Gulia, Pugnacious, Reality Rhino, how you doing, man? Frodo, Pika Power, Shredder, Matthew, Julia, Shitsu, Pika Power, and Julia. What is going on, everybody? Today, gonna be a good day, gonna be a bad. Let's get a poll going. Let's get a poll going on what today's gonna be, man. I wanna know if you guys think today's gonna be a good day or a bad day. Tell me before the Fed announcement comes out. Let's see what you guys think. Good day or bad day today? We get 28 of you guys in here who will probably actually vote in this poll. I like it. Let me know what you guys think on this one. I have faith in the Bunnyverse. Pika likes the Bunnyverse. Good deal. Yeah, just to let you guys know, I don't have any Bunnyverse, so if you guys got some Bunnyverse, congratulations. I don't know what it's doing today, but good deal. Hopefully make a ton of money. Right, you have to be a troll if you ask that every day and haven't figured it out. Maybe. Reality Rhino might be. I don't know. I didn't see what he said, though. If you guys want a Medical Digger, go mint one or two. These are still available to mint, and I think they will be big. Frodo! How much they cost to mint, man? How much they cost to mint? Frodo knows his NFTs. Frodo's like the NFT man. Great day, Clay. He said it's going to be a great day today. Is this an auction? You're talking so fast. F, S, F, V, Z, T, F. Yes. At times it is. And no, at times it's not. But I don't know what it is right now. Alice in Wonderland, William Davis, Victor, Frodo, Devil's Advocate. Let me ask you, did Joelle get her shirt? I gotta ask you, because somebody was mad that they didn't get their shirt, and then they told me they unsubscribed. So I was like, alright, well, you're definitely not getting a shirt now. But, did you get a shirt in the mail, man? Did everybody, like, when I said that I sent them out 2 weeks ago, or last week, whenever it was, did you guys all get your stuff that I said I sent out? Hello, Shih Tzu. Frodo, man. Good day. Paul says it's going to be a good day. Alice in Wonderland. Green Day, stand positive. I like it, Alice. Prog Smog, making some smog type of money. Not a troll. I just don't understand how to sell AMC for more coins. Reality Rhino. I don't know about this guy. I don't know. Where did you buy your AMC? Julia Gulia, excellent question. Probably bought it on Coinbase. Yes, she got it a while ago. All right, good deal, man. Good deal. I don't know what was up with that one then. I'm glad. Because I don't want Joel to unsubscribe to my channel. Reality Rhino, you should do more research before buying and selling. If you're trolling us, that's not cool. I mean, sometimes it's cool to troll, right? Like, sometimes we appreciate the trolls in here. Keeping us on our toes. We need people to keep us on our toes every once in a while and not just let us get comfortable. Never good to get too comfortable. Mint is quarter Ethereum plus gas. Go check out their Twitter and Discord and do your own. I have seen, yeah, I've seen your. So I think your picture on Twitter is actually one of those gold digger apes, right? And then I saw, so I clicked on theirs and saw their stuff too. So I did see that, man. And I don't know if they do partner up with, oh God, what's the Bored Ape Yacht Club or whatever it is. I mean, they could absolutely be big. Oh, let's see if they don't make the whole lot. They will burn the excess to make them more rare. Nice. Julia Gulia. Hello, Cassie. Cassie, good morning to you. Can you touch on Shibnobi Inu today? They got to 50,000 owners, so they upped reflections to 5% now. I can't buy any more than I had in December, so just hanging on and getting those free reflections. Matthew, yeah, we could look at Shibnobi for a minute. We could look at Shibnobi, the Shinja going on out there. I do know a lot of people are interested in Shinja, man. I actually see a lot of that stuff on Twitter. I don't know what the big deal is with Shinja. Personally, dude, I'm gonna tell you this. I don't really like Shibnobi, okay? I don't like it because they've got way too many coins out there. You can't even really track the gains on CoinMarketCap because nothing goes out that far decimal-wise. Dude, I forget what the math is, but if there were like 1 million Earths, there's more Shibnobi coins, there's more Shinja than there would be grains of sand on 1 million Earths. So you got a very large supply there. Happy Wednesday, everyone. Dunno! Good Wednesday to you as well. Can't say I'm surprised that Claybro isn't at his live stream on time. Pugnacious. Pretty sure something lagged on your computer. We've been here for a while, dude. We've been here for a while. I'm pretty sure that you had pause clicked or something on that. What's your predictions for this meeting, Clay? Devil's Advocate. I actually talked about it in the video this morning a little bit on my predictions here. I'm going to be honest. I predict that we will not have, and listen, disclaimer, okay? I am not a fortune teller. I don't partake in anything that would allow me to see the future. But I do believe that interest rates will remain the same. I do believe that they will continue to taper the bond buying program. I do believe that they will do what they said they were going to do. Just a couple weeks ago, actually. So I would expect that as far as inflation and whatever. The more, I would say, important part is going to be the 2:30 press conference. Okay? Does Jerome Powell come out smiling? Does Jerome Powell come out coughing? Does Jerome Powell come out saying that he's nervous about the future and being able to wrangle in inflation? If he offers any sort of clarity, which I don't expect, okay? I expect kind of the same that we've had before. I expect Jerome Powell to say that they will be moving towards increasing interest rates in March. I don't expect him to tell us how much they will increase interest rates in March, but I do expect him to say that they will likely increase interest rates 3 times throughout 2022, which he has said before. So I personally do not expect any new news today. The new news I expect in March. So how much they're going to raise interest rates by, we will hear in March. How much they expect to continue raising interest rates by, I would hope to expect in March, but if we just get some blanket answer that Jerome Powell and the Federal Reserve are going to do whatever they need to do in order to ensure full employment and a target inflation rate of 2%. They're going to do the best of their abilities to keep it at that. Just some dumb answer that doesn't shed any light on anything is kind of what I do expect. Yeah, bro, maybe you're the problem. I could be. I don't even know if we're talking about me anymore or not. They are burning like 1 sextillion coins today. Okay, that's a good amount then, Matthew. Which I guess must be a drop in the bucket compared to how many they minted, like you said. Yeah, I forget what it is, man. I think it's like 420 sextillion or something. So it would be like Shiba Inu at this point burning, I think, 1 trillion out of the 549 trillion. Not bad, but it's only like 1/10% or 1/5%. So, it's good that they're burning that much. But yeah, dude, they got a ton. They got a ton of coins. Literally, man, it's like you take 1 million Earths and count every single grain of sand on all 1 million Earths. That's how many Shinja there are. And I could be exaggerating on that million part, but I'm pretty sure it was like 5 quadrillion or 5 quintillion grains of sand. I've asked Google several times when Shinja is brought up. Thank you, Paul. Right, bros, hit that like button. Listen to Paul, man. Listen, family. If you have time, do yourself a favor. Research Medical Diggers NFT. If it sounds like something you might be interested in, then get started. Mint is live. Can mint 1 or 2. Very nice, man. Very nice. Yeah, look, guys, I don't know. I'm going to be the first one to tell you that I don't know a ton about all of the different NFT projects that are out there, okay? The NFT that Freddie made is the first NFT I've ever had. The one that I'm going to get tomorrow from Hodl Ape Club is going to be the second NFT I've ever had. So I don't know a ton about all of these NFTs. I know what NFTs are. I believe talking, I don't know, with some sort of intelligence about NFTs. But as far as like the individual projects and things like that, I don't know. So I can't recommend buying a Meta Gold Digger ape. But dude, if you buy a Meta Gold Digger ape and it does anything like the Bored Ape Yacht Club did, yeah, you're going to be making a ton of money. Which is like the point of an NFT. Why does Shinja have so many coins? Was it to be funny, but then gain popularity? They will have to burn for years before it goes, yeah, Pika Power. So I do think that is like a marketing technique, man, that you can go out there and buy a quadrillion of them for like $10. So I think that's what kind of set it apart. Shiba Inu coin did that with the fact that you could buy 1 billion of them for almost nothing at the beginning of 2021. Now you can buy a quadrillion. I don't even know what number comes after a sextillion, but if there's a coin out there that just goes to like 50 decimal places, there will be people who want to buy it because then they can buy 100 sextillion coins for $10. And they're gonna own every. But the chances of that 100 sextillion ever reaching a thousandth of a penny or something is no chance. You can still make the percentage gains, but you're just not gonna have like $1. Shinja will never be worth $1 or anything like that. Whatever happened to Lou from Boston and Matt? I don't know who Lou's not from Boston. Lou's from New York, right? We're talking about a different Lou. Good morning, Claymore. AMC Trapper in the house, baby. What's going on, AMC Trapper? Tapping in. Tapping in. Clear, bro. I'm working on a piece to send you what's the best way I could get it to you? Probably the United States Postal Service. Fat Bob's Woodco. Probably the United States Postal Service would be the best way to get it to me. No, message me on Twitter. I got a P.O. box, man. Message me on Twitter if you want to send something to the P.O. box. I'm just messing with you today. But, that probably would be the easiest way to send it to a P.O. box is USPS. Oh, man. Fat Bob Woods Co. Yes, man. Lord Links, good morning to you. Good morning, everyone. Clay, opinion on Ethereum creator helping Doge be proof of stake. I'm not going to lie, dude. I don't even know what Doge is because you're not out there mining Doge. And Doge is not out there staking Doge. So I don't even know how Doge works at this point. But if that's the case, man, if Vitalik or Vitaly, whatever that dude's name is, does start to get involved with Doge, yeah, you could see the price of Doge rise. I mean, that dude's a smart guy, right? He's so smart, I don't even know how to say his name. I'm not saying to mint Medical Diggers Club. I'm saying do your own DD. Heck yeah, Frodo. On it and see if you're interested. I minted 2 of them and bought a 3rd because I thought it would be big money I am willing to lose. So when you mint it, you're basically like creating one. You're saying randomly generate me a meme NFT, like an NFT. Randomly generate me an NFT. That's what you're doing when you mint it, correct? And then if you buy it, you say, oh my god, that NFT looks really cool. Somebody's got that for sale. They already minted it. They want to sell it. I'm going to buy that one because that one looks cool. Is that the difference there? Victor. Al from Boston, MIA. Okay. Lou from Boston doesn't exist, right? Lou is from New York. Best way would be carefully. Yes. Also, that would be the best way. Very carefully, man. Make sure that I get it carefully and all in one piece. Those Advocate is right on that one. Hello, bro. Question. Shibers, or Shibersivo joining Metaverse. Does that mean there will be a new Shiba token, or will be the same Shiba token? So, Saif, it's going to be the same Shiba token, right? It's going to be the same Shiba Inu coin. And I'm just going to level with you guys. I'm not, like, super excited about the Shiba Inu metaverse that we've got right now. I honestly and I could be completely wrong, man, but I'm getting the vibe that it's basically just a visual of you going out there and staking your bone, leash, and Shiba Inu coin. So that's what I'm getting right now about the metaverse that they're going to be working on first. Is basically just like a metaverse where you can go in and see your coins at work. That's not terribly exciting to me, but either way, it is a step forward into the metaverse space. Anyone with Green Corvette is okay after surgery? I have no idea, Julia Gooley. Does anybody in here know? Hello, Clay Bro. Andrew, how you doing, man? Do you think everything is up overall because finally, whatever Fed announcement happens today and or good or bad, we will finally know what's what, and uncertainty is usually bad for the market. So, Matthew, yes. I don't know if it's up because the market is expecting some certainty today, or if they're anticipating a good announcement from the Federal Reserve. Don't be surprised if the Fed says something jacked up and the stock prices start to tumble afterwards, okay? Don't be surprised if that happens. It's not like everybody is going to be correct in their anticipation of a rising market today, or the Fed doesn't have to offer us any clarity. So, yes, it is looking good right now. Yes, I do believe the market is expecting some clarity. However, that does not mean we will get clarity. No word yet, Julia. JB, thank you for letting us know. Clay Bro, good morning. When is the Fed meeting, or has it happened? JJ, so the Federal Reserve is going to announce their interest rate decision at 2 p.m. today, Eastern time, so in 2 hours. And then in 2.5 hours, they will have the Federal Reserve press conference, FOMC press conference. And during that press conference, Jerome Powell is basically going to be talking about, instead of just basically like reading his statements from the meetings and discussing what was discussed at the meetings. Dude, GameStop is loving it today, man. Look at this. It's a good day when you can actually see GameStop on the chart because it's rising like this. Up 15% right now. Wow. Anybody buy the dip on GameStop? That's what you should have bought the dip on. AMC rolling to $17 per share. Man, I hope those calls I got on AMC, I hope they do well. I like the fact that we're rolling 6%, 15% on GameStop right now. NASDAQ sitting up 2.26%. Farmy sitting 1972, bouncing down. Can't keep it gained to save its life. Question of the day, Sundial? Boom! 2% in the green. You know it's a good day when Sundial is in the green. Outdoor Smile. Thank you very much. Hype, 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 hype. Thank you very much, Outdoor Smile, for the hype, man. We're going to keep it up. We're going to keep it going. And we're going to keep it rolling today. I love it. Outdoor Smile, thank you very much for the super chat, man. Julia is queen of the chat. Julia is queen of everything, man. Finn, then you can link it to, oh my gosh, where did I go? The Fed's job is not to make sure your calls go in the money. Dang it, man. Wouldn't it be great if, like, Jerome Powell was my uncle and I was like, hey, dude, got some calls, make sure they go in the money today. And he was like, I got you, boy, I got you. I was like, sweet. That would be bad. That'd be bad. It'd be a good uncle. It'd be a really bad chairman of the Federal Reserve, but it would be a great uncle. Let's see what Frodo said. Minting is creating a smart contract where you trade crypto for the NFT. In this case, Ethereum plus gas fees, transaction fees. Yes, it is kind of like mining it. You create it when you mint it. Okay, perfect. Then you can link it to a marketplace like OpenSea and auction it off or set a sell price. Minting or buying on Ethereum networks costs transactions gas fees. Nobody likes gas fees, man. But we do like selling for profits. Pika Pika. Congratulations on 8 million. Thank you, Nick F. 8 million total views, guys. Incredible. Thank you. I know for a fact 4 million of those views were Nick F, JB, and myself just watching my own content. So thank you everybody else for the other 4 million views. Really appreciate you guys out there. Hey, bro, on a day like this, we must stay hard. You know about it, JJ. You know about it, dude. Gotta stay hard on a day like this. Hello, Clay, bro. Hey, got a quick question for you. They just called my margin account out $1,000, which is not a problem, but I have $32,000 on my account value. Can you give me your opinion on why? Joseph, That's a tough call because I don't know how much of that you had invested. So if you had, there could have been some fees associated with what you got out there. You may have gotten hit on some interest for using the margin out there. If that 32,000 that you have is yours and you were investing on margin, I don't know how much you have totally invested in in AMC or any stock for that matter. So I don't know the total you have invested versus the total that is like your cash in the account. I assume from that statement that the 32,000 is yours, but I don't know how much you have like invested. If it's 32,000, if it's 100,000, or what the deal is. But without knowing a little bit more, man, I wouldn't know what triggered that. If you were getting too close to the 30,000 being used up, or what the deal is, man. I'm very sorry that I don't have any more clarity on that. Any thoughts on Russia saying yes to crypto? Dude, everybody's gonna say yes to crypto. Saif, no more thoughts on that than Russia saying yes to crypto. Clearly, I think they just wanted to cause a little dip and then go buy that dip. But hey, that's manipulation, man. Can't accuse the Russians of any manipulation. JJ, thank you very much for the dime. JJ knows what time it is. It's time to get hard. Like a diamond. Thank you very much, JJ. Appreciate that, man. Anybody else out there hard like a diamond right now? You better be. On a day like today, you better be hard like a diamond. Let's go. If I get some extra money in the future, I'll buy some sundial this year and then just let it ride and see what happens. Well, dude, hopefully they start to sell some weed, because if they don't start to sell any weed, their stock price is probably not going to go up. But I hope they can. Nick! What's up? Rocket. Oh, Rocket is in here too. What's going on, Rocket? Let's see. Hello, Rocket. Nigga, Rocket. Time to get hard. Like a diamond, Cassie. Like a diamond. We will win banks. We will win banks. Want their money. We will win banks. Want their money too. Here comes the margin calls. Let's go, Shredder. I hope so. Clay, please cover Nano Dimensions again. Leonard, you in Nano Dimensions, man? Or what's the deal there? You want to know about getting into Nano Dimensions? Nano Dimensions probably... I don't even know what the price is, man. Did it get hit hard in this pullback here? My cash is $32,000. I borrowed a $1,000 on another investment, which is the margin, but their money was covered with my 30. Joseph, that's extremely weird then, man. That's extremely weird that they would have... If you had that sitting in cash, okay, I have no idea why they would have called that back. If you had the 32,000 fully invested and you were down on it, I can see why they would margin call. But just if you had that 32,000 invested without it being down, I don't see why they would have margin called you on that, because that's not even margin at that point. They're still making you use your own money. Yeah, Joseph, I'm sorry, man. I'm a little confused by the situation as well. I can't offer a reasonable answer as to why they would have done that. Guess who sold last night after three weeks of every day opening lower? I was fed up, bleeds, and sold. I've missed out on 2,000 gains and I hate apples. No, man, no. Listen, I hate apples though, dude. Okay, if you sold last night because you couldn't handle it anymore, we get that. We understand that. We want everybody to be able to handle their investments that they have. Now, the gains we're seeing this morning, AMC up 7%, GameStop up 14% right now, and Shiba up 7%. It's looking very good. Now, it doesn't mean that it's going to end the day well. We had a lot of sentiment riding on the Federal Reserve meeting today, man. It doesn't mean that you can't get back in either. You know, if you do get back in, I don't know, man, just don't get back in as hard then that you're going to have to worry about closing out if it's something that you do want to hold. Adria Perez, thank you very much for the super chat. Hello all, and of course Clay's life is good and now better to be with you all. Elizabeth, hope you're better, dear. Yes, I also hope Elizabeth is feeling wonderful. Julia Gulia, how you doing today? Adria, thank you very much, appreciate that, and life is great. Adria, life is great. So glad to have you in here. It's today, good day to buy more Shiba. Indonesian MMA community. The whales certainly think so. If you guys didn't see the video this morning, the whales added $88 million worth to their Shiba holdings in the last 24 hours. So the whales certainly think it's a great time to buy Shiba Inu coin. Does that mean that you should follow the whales? No, you shoshould never follow what somebody else does, but the whales are certainly adding to their portfolios on Shiba. Let's see. A Claybro verse looks promising. Hope it will release soon. I also hope the Claybro verse releases soon, Peak of Power. Somebody better be out there developing it because I don't have the skills to develop Claybro verse. Where can we watch the meeting today? Saif. I highly doubt that I streamed the meeting today, man. But you can, honestly, if you just Google FOMC press conference live, you'd probably be able to pull it up either on their website or you can pull it up on YouTube. So you will be able to see it live if you want to watch it live. They are extremely boring, man. I mean, it's just literally Jerome Powell sitting there kind of discussing what they discussed in private. So if you want to watch it, absolutely. Just Google FOMC press conference live or Jerome Powell live, and you'll easily be able to see it there. How are you going to be live on the Fed? Humberto, listen, we were live last time they had an announcement. I can be live if you guys want, but I don't know, man. I don't know. They're never really exciting. I think my bronchitis is never going away. Julia Gulia. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if you had the thing we don't speak of or anything like that, but I had a cough and what I felt like was bronchitis back in 2019 into 2020 for like 6 months. Late to the party. Thoughts on what's happening with AMC GME? Ed. Honestly, man, I think it's a bounce off recent support levels, a bounce off the dip, and with the overall market rising today, we're getting people to start pouring their money back into some of the riskier stocks, and AMC, GameStop, definitely some of the riskier stocks. Dude, I'm in the Clay Rovers right now. Frodo, I love it, man. Powell's a snoozer. Julia Gulia could not agree more. Powell is definitely a snoozer. Grandpa Barney is my spirit animal. Grandpa Barney is my spirit animal, too. I want to work as hard as that guy does. Julia Gulia, heat up butter, honey, lemon juice, and a dab of whiskey. Eat hot spoonfuls accordingly. Dude, I do that without the whiskey just every day, just for fun, man. Tastes delicious. I'm sure other channels will show it. A channel I used to go to would always stream it and say hateful stuff in the chat when it was on. Don't be mean, guys. Don't be mean. Bro, did you accumulate more? Sheesh. No. I assume you're either talking about AMC or Shiba, but no, I have not accumulated any more AMC or Shiba. I didn't want to risk it with the Fed talking. Julie Gulia, it will buy, go to homeopathic doctor. They are the best. Hoot Money is a smaller channel, but I enjoy him. He will be live streaming the meeting this afternoon. A simple search of his name. I'm sure you will find him if it is for you guys. Find him, for you guys. Him or it, okay. For you guys, if you want an easy way to watch. Very nice, man. Hoot Money. Hoot. There it is. Hoot. There it is. I think I would just wait for our favorite YouTuber, Claro, to explain it to us this afternoon. Smash the like button, everybody. Saif, thank you very much, man. Appreciate that. Yeah, we'll see what he says this afternoon, and then we'll come back. We can discuss it and have some fun. I don't know. If you guys want to be live during it, I don't see why we couldn't be live during it. I just don't think it's the most exciting thing to sit through. Thanks, Clay. Ed, absolutely. What do you think about CRV token, Clay? Tanya, I don't know anything about CRV token. This is a Honda token? Curved Dow. Is that what you're talking about here? I don't know anything about this token. I'm going to be completely honest. $10 billion fully diluted market cap. Okay. The market cap is $1.4 billion. Definitely a large token, but I have no idea. I have no idea what they do. Yeah, actually, it's on a nice dip recently. So if you guys are interested in Curved Dow token, whatever they do, you know, with it sitting down here at $3, where's it at today? Yeah, with it sitting down here at $3 and having been at $6.50 just to be 2 weeks ago, that's not bad. It's been out for a while, so know that 34 cents is the low back in 2020, but you know, 2020 had lows on everything, so if dude, I'm going to be going in hard in crypto if we ever get back to 2020 lows. But I don't know if we will. So if we don't, you could double your money if you just get back to where you're at right now. You could quadruple your money if Shiba Inu coin gets back to its high. But if curve Dow's your thing, some people do like the curve Dow. Hootie has a channel, Devil's Advocate and the Blowfish, or what? I have honey citrus and ginger tea, and that works for cough. But boy, does the amount of ginger in it burn going down. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I don't have any honey ginger tea. Honey citrus ginger tea. Rocket, thank you very much for the super chat. How truly hard is it to day trade with 100,000 and simply come up with a 1% daily gain? Very good question, man. Very good question. Not hard, okay? Not hard, but you have to be disciplined, because if you're just doing moving average crossovers, okay? You're going to have a very tight take profit on there, or a very tight stop, okay? Because your moving average could cross over. And I know there's been a lot of talk lately about different moving average crossovers, and trust me when I tell you, I am not like bashing any sort of trading plan that uses moving average crossovers. I am, however, telling you that unless you have extremely tight entry and exit criteria as well, you can have a crossover, and then out of nowhere, you start to go back down in price. So just because your moving average is crossed does not mean it is a perfect entry point. You have to have a very tight exit point as well. Otherwise, your crossover can happen, and then by the time your crossover happens to the downside, let's say you just trade sideways for a minute, by the time your moving average crossover happens to the downside, if that's what you're using for your exit criteria, then you're going to be losing money on that trade. And I've been seeing a lot of talk about using options and trading the options on these crossovers. Okay? That's great, because yes, if it's right and the crossover works out good, you know, you could see a 3% rise in the underlying asset and a 50% rise in the options. So when you're seeing people hit these 50% gains on their options, great. Don't get sucked into it to think that that's like a guaranteed hit every time it happens. Moving average crossovers are good, but by the time the moving average crosses over to, I guess, trigger your exit criteria, you could be losing money. So you got to have a very tight stop. Now, Rockets gain, a 1% gain. Definitely doable, man. Definitely doable to hit a 1% gain. But you got to have a real tight stop on there too then. If you trigger that and you don't tap your 1% gain, let's say you don't tap your 1% gain, or all of a sudden, you know, you have a 5% stop loss on there, and you trigger your 1% gain, great. You trigger your 1% gain, great. Now, your moving average crossover hits again, but all of a sudden it was like it's like a false hit, okay? Triggers, but the stock price stays stagnant and then starts to go lower, and you get a 5% loss. Well, dude, you just got rid of 5% worth of your gains. You got 5 gains just wiped out just like that. So it's easy in theory, but it's much more difficult to like act with pure discipline and be able to make that 1% a day. At that point in time, you have to be glued to your computer. Yes, Rocket, unless you're using a trading system. So there are different programs out there that will trade for you, and you know, you can trust them to do exactly what you tell them to do. It's simply a computer program, right? And you tell it to either trade as soon as the moving average crossover happens, or as soon as whatever indicator gets triggered that you want, boom, it buys your position. Then you can immediately have it put a 1% take profit or a 1% stop loss. 1% stop losses are extremely tight, man, extremely tight. So you can have it set up so that it automatically trades for you that way. But it's easier to think about making happen than it is to actually make happen. And I don't know if it's because the amount of traders that, you know, try to day trade are like newer, or if they have that exact same mentality. But day trading is more often than not unprofitable. The only, I guess, or the most successful type of trading is longer term investing. Okay, and longer term investing is boring, but it's like the proven successful way to make money in the market. Now, it does not mean that you can't do it. Does not mean that you can't hit those 1% gains, because you can. You just have to be extremely disciplined, man. You have to be extremely disciplined, and you have to, I guess, follow the rules. Because as soon as you say, well, dude, I'm up 5%, I'm gonna let this one run to 10%. Okay? I'm gonna widen my stops, I'm gonna widen my gains here, and then it starts to fall. Or Fed says something and it starts to turn around, and it could wipe you out, man. It could wipe you out. If you're playing all 100,000 in the SPY or Apple or AMC or whatever, you're trying to hit that 1% gain, you see that bounce, great, dude. But there's nothing to guarantee that bounce continues to take place. Marky Mark, man. Thank you very much, Marky Mark. Appreciate the super chat there. Mark, man, if you got a question, ask that question, man, because I want to know what you got to say there, Mark. Thank you very much for the super chat. Appreciate that. How long from now is the Fed meeting? Please. 2 hours and 10 minutes. 2 hours and 9 minutes, Pringleton. The press conference is 2 hours and 9 minutes, and hour and 40 minutes is when they let us know about the inflation rate, whether it's rising or staying the same and so on. Rocket, thank you for yet another super chat. How much is a good threshold to buy and sell at a time, or does it depend on the stock? So if you're talking about, if you're talking about how much of a single stock to buy, let's just put it this way. It's going to depend on you and what you're comfortable with, but I've heard some people say, and this does make sense to me, okay? Because a lot of people will go out there and they will try to kill it on every trade, right? 100% of their portfolio, boom, let's play the SPY today. Let's do it with 100%. Let's make sure we got this. A good rule of thumb that I've heard before, because the name of the game in the stock market is to make sure you're here tomorrow. Make sure that you've got enough that you can invest tomorrow and you never wipe out your account, because it is much more difficult to make up a 100% gain because you experienced a 50% loss. If you see a 50% loss, you have to double your money at that point just to get back to where you were. So capital preservation is super important long term. Now, I've heard people say, and I do like this, never lose more than 1% of your entire portfolio on any trade. So if you're going to go out there and you're going to risk 10% of your portfolio on a single trade, okay? Now, clearly, if you get a $100,000 portfolio, you're going to go out there and you're going to invest $10,000 into a single position. If you want to make $1,000 a day, you're either going to have to hit a 10% gain on that one position, or you're going to have to invest, your in 10 different stocks, $10,000 each, and hit a 1% gain on every single one of those. So you got to think about that too on your goals and what you want to make, but never lose more than 1% of your portfolio on any given trade. So if you're investing 10% of your portfolio in any given stock, you could have a 10% stop loss on that one stock, and a 1% loss on your overall portfolio is not going to kill your portfolio. You can make that back. And a 10% stop that's a pretty loose stop, man. Especially maybe not in something like AMC or GameStop that's extremely volatile, but in some of these other stocks like Apple, Google, bigger stocks, the SPY and things like that, 10% is pretty loose. So, you're not likely to trigger a 10% loss unless we have a market like we got right now that drops 20+% in a 2-month period. Rocket, another one. Guys, I promise I'm not ignoring anybody. Rocket's got another one. Swinging is either getting a bit easier or I'm getting more lucky. I'm too scared to think I know more than I do. That's where people run into problems. Facts on that one, dude. Facts on that one. Rocket, listen. If you're getting lucky, which is possible, recognize that you're getting lucky. Okay? I don't know what your hit rate has been lately, but if it's working out for you, Figure out why it's working out for you. And dude, don't try to tweak it, okay? Don't go out there next time and because you just hit 8 trades in a row, you're going to bet all of it on the next trade or anything like that. Or the next one, boom, you're going in hard and you're going to kill it because you killed the last 8, okay? You have to expect some losses on your swings. You have to expect some losses on your swings. And you don't know if the next one's going to be a loss or if the next one's going to be a win. If the next one's a loss and that's the one you decided to go all in on, that's going to hurt. It's going to hurt bad. So please expect a loss, but if you've got a plan right now that's working out for you, you're hitting more than you miss, dude, keep going on with that plan, man. Keep going on with that plan. Keep hitting a positive. You like sports, dude. I know you like sports. You guys got these guys that step up to the plate in baseball, man. If they're hitting 500, they're killing it. Some of the best batters in baseball hit what? A 300 average? They're absolutely destroying it. So, yes, rock it. Don't get ahead of yourself. If you've got a positive expectancy out there and you're making more than you lose, you are absolutely destroying it. You could get hammered if your portfolio is all, say, tech stocks and they go in the same direction. I learned the hard way. Next time I'm ready to enter the market, I will split. Hey, I hate apples. Exactly, man. Exactly. And the fact that you're still willing to stay in the market, I love it, dude. I love it. But you are correct. If you, just going all Apple is different than going Apple, Netflix, Amazon, Google, the Facebook, the FANG stocks out there. It is different, but at the same time, if that's your entire portfolio, you're right, man. NASDAQ gets ripped 20%. Those stocks are likely to get ripped 20% too, and it does take a very hard hit. Rocket! Thank you very much for the super chat. When Sava sold Kirkland's and Academy Sports, not in right now, sitting on the sidelines. Nice. Very nice. Yeah, Rocket, I know. When Cashapp Sciences was up to $51, $52, and Devil's Advocate said you took your gain on that, man, I was like, yes, dude, this guy killed that trade right there. And now, I don't know if you're thinking about getting back in. I know Cashapp Sciences is down again, sitting at $40 right now, but I don't know anything about the technical setup on these stocks right now, if they are crossing over, if they're doing anything of the sort. But the fact that you got something going on that's working right now, I love it, dude. I love it. But you are right. You still got the right mentality, okay? If you're into swinging and you got to expect a loss. You don't know if the next one's going to be a loss. Dude, you don't know if you've got, listen, this could happen too. Let's say you're tracking all your trades and you're hitting 75%, okay, which is excellent. You're hitting 75% win rate. I don't know how many trades you're making, but let's say 7 out of 10. Dude, you might string together 3 losses. And you might think, okay, well, great. But, dude, then the next 3 could be the 3 losses from the next set. So you might hit 6 losses in a row on your 75% expectancy thing, which could do some damage. And then you're hoping the next one's a gain. And, you might string 14 winners together at that point. Or you might string 10 winners together and think you're invincible and then go out there and try to, win it all and make $1 billion. And then, it doesn't work out right. So you have to expect the losses. But, dude, if you're making more than you lose, you are winning. Just connected a lot of rockets. What's happening? Juguemos con sentido. My gosh, we play with feeling? All right, good deal, man. Playing with feeling. What do we got here? Rockets, yeah. The risk is flowing back into GameStop and AMC. I assume that's what you're talking about right now. Seems to me like the market is expecting some good news out of the Federal Reserve today. A lot of green and a lot of positivity. We have to wait and see if that follows through after the Federal Reserve announcement, though. Pro gamblers are 6 out of 10. Dude, as long as you can beat the house, man. Think about Vegas, right? Vegas is a pro gambler. The casino is a pro gambler. And some of the best odds you have are simply 52 to 48. As long as they win more than they lose, they will be profitable. Okay? They will be profitable. That's all you got to keep in mind. Never get ahead of yourself, and you're going to be fine. Never think that the next trade is the one that's going to make you $1 billion always think the next trade is the one that could ruin your entire portfolio. If you stay conservative in that respect and continue to stick to your plan, dude, I think you're going to be good. I think you're going to be good. Rocket BBIG filed paperwork for the Tide dividend. No news about it yet, but that happened last night, so could be a good thing to watch as of now. Very nice. BBIG, another one. A lot of people like jumping in and jumping out of BBIG too. Yes. Honestly, thinking sports betting would be easier than stock. Mitch, you know what? For you, it might be. Okay? For you, it might be. For me, it certainly would not be, dude. For me, it would be no different than me coming down here and going like this and then just scrolling up and down and clicking on one. You know what I mean? Like, I know nothing about sports. So sports betting would be extreme gambling for me. And you are right, in sports betting too. You know, a lot of things can happen. People can underperform and things like that. And very similar to the stock market. You know, stocks can underperform and things like that too. But if you know sports, right, dude. If you know stocks, different thing. Let's see. President Vladimir claims Russia has advantages in Bitcoin mining. Yeah, dude, it's freaking cold. And where it's cold is a very big advantage in Bitcoin mining. It's not joking about that. Let's see. No, a rocket something. Trust me, he's into swinging. Nice. At this point, I start getting nervous between a plus or minus a 3 to 5% window. Get antsy and sell. Dude, and here's the thing too, okay? I don't know what you like doing. If you're on a 3% gain, if you're on a 5% gain, great. But one of the best things you can do too, and this is because I don't know your plan, right? If your plan is to just hit a 3 to 5% gain and get back out and reassess the situation, great. And I don't know what your stop losses look like either. But you always want to make sure that you let your winners run as far as they want to run, okay? If you're on a 3 to 5% gain and you're ready to take it, great. There's also nothing wrong, and don't tweak this if you don't want to, but if you're on a 5% gain and you're going to love a 3% gain, there would be nothing wrong with testing it out and putting a stop loss on 2% from where the price is then, guaranteeing yourself that 3% gain and just letting that stock go. If it's a good stock, if you think it's great, just letting it go from there. You guaranteed yourself the 3% gain. 5 would have been nice if you hit it, yes, but 3 you're happy with. So nothing wrong with that either, man. Letting that winner ride and seeing how far it can go out. You guaranteed yourself the 3%, but dude, if it runs and it starts to go up and it was a good stock to begin with, you could be sitting on a 10, 20, 30% gain. Let's see. Crypto's Russ is a very bullish with Bitcoin and Cardano right now. I take that as a good sign for what's to come with the Fed later. Okay, I hope so. Peak of power. I don't know what Crypto Russ is though. Are you talking on Sundial's Green? Julia Gulia. Sundial's Green. It's gonna be a good day. Clibro, you can guarantee press will get told early and info will be leaked. So I reckon we will see action in the next hour. I hate apples. Maybe. Okay. Maybe. I typically don't see any leakage when around Federal Reserve press conferences and stuff. Okay, I typically don't see any leakage around that. You can, if you really want to see something move with the press conference today, watch the dollar. Watch the dollar at 2 o'clock, exactly 2 o'clock. You're gonna get some volatility, probably at 159. It's going to bounce up and down, and then 2 o'clock, you're going to see a big jump. And then again at 2:30, when Powell starts talking, you're going to see it hesitate back and forth when Powell's talking there. People are getting nervous. They don't know what he's going to say. And then, boom, he might say something dumb, and the dollar's going to tank. He might say something great, and the dollar's going to rise. But if you want to tell if there's any leaked information, the dollar is extremely, I guess, sensitive when Powell opens his mouth. So you would expect some leaked information if you saw the dollar moving like that. I'd say that's a pretty good indicator, and I've never really seen too much come out like right before the announcement there. 3% gain, set a 1 to 2% stop loss. Boom! And then you listen, if you're doing that, honestly, that's a tight stop. 1% stop is very tight. But if you're into short-term trades like that and you are setting a 1% stop and a 3% gain, dude, you only have to hit 50% of your trades. Honestly, you can hit less than 50% of your trades and still be profitable. It's Bitcoin ATM at my gas station. Is there really? Oh, I missed you. Natasha! What are you doing in here? Thanks for being back, Natasha. Clay, you heard of Safe Moon? John, absolutely, man. I have heard of Safe Moon. Rocket! Thank you very much for the super chat. To everyone in here, I knew as much about the market as Clay knows about sports. Ask questions. Personally, I like to pay super chat for Clay's time and answering those. He single-handedly taught me more about the market than any other avenue I've used to learn about trading or the market and trading. Rocket, man. Listen, I appreciate that, okay? I do appreciate that because I want people to be able to ask any question they have. That's why the whole thing is, labeled a Q&A. Ask any question you guys have, whether or not you think it sounds dumb, whether or not you think it sounds brilliant. Just ask it, man. Just ask it. And at the end of the day, right, I don't label these streams as financial education or anything more than financial entertainment. But if you're like Rocket and you feel more confident moving forward after you either, confirmed what you were thinking in the first place or opened your eyes to a different line of sight or whatever you want to say, perfect, man. Perfect. Look at this dude. Absolutely killing it out there, man. Making money all day long. Rocket. Good deal, man. And listen, I know people enjoy swing trading a little bit more than they do investing at times too, because investing can get boring. But I'm afraid I don't really care for day trading too much, man. I don't care for day trading too much. I don't mind some swings, but yeah, dude, people have a lot of fun. When you're making money and having fun at the same time, what's going to stop you from wanting to continue doing that? Absolutely nothing. You're a tight stop, Clay. Blows whistle. What, like that type of whistle? Or what type of whistle we talking about there, man? Chiefs versus Rams at the Super Bowl. El Campo, I have no idea. No idea. Are the Chiefs and Rams in the Super Bowl? Squeaky bum time today. Let's get it, man. We like squeaky bums, John. All right. The hedgies went out to lunch. They came back, and they're going to be sweating. I hope the hedge funds are sweating when they get back from a nice long lunch. Hey, where'd you got in tote today? You got in tote. Are you out there? We need to know. 1% way too tight. You pay at least 0.5% trading fee to buy and sell, so you already down 0.25% the moment you buy. But yeah, dude, 1% is very tight. But if you're going to be day trading and you're going to be trading some of these moving average crossovers that I see a lot, because I see a lot of stuff being promoted for Discords, right? And it's great. They're doing some great marketing. I can tell you that right now. A lot of these guys are doing some great marketing out there. Like organic marketing, telling these people on Twitter to post their gains, and they are gains, like they are posting their gains. Now, okay, I will tell you with that too, you're going to see a bias. If you follow my trading plan, and I tell you to post some gains, even if you've got losses out there that exceed your gains, you're going to want to post your gains to show other people that you're making money. You're going to be more inclined to, hide the fact that you might be losing when you think everybody else is gaining, or you're going to want people to think you're successful too. So if you've got people on social media kind of telling you to post their gains and everybody looks like they're making a ton of money and never losing, you've got some biases behind people posting their gains like that and never posting their losses. So keep that in mind too. No trading plan is 100% successful. I can never claim to be anywhere near 100% successful. And I hope nobody else can claim to be 100% successful. Just know you got to do like Rocket, man. You got to find something you're comfortable with and move forward with that, knowing that any next trade could absolutely be a loss. Had to hop in the first live before the break. Hope all apes are doing great. Enjoying the green days so far. Fight's not over, Clay. How are you? Oh, missed it. Gotta ask that every so often. Chris, I'm doing good today, man. I'm actually feeling pretty good today, guys. Sometimes I'm hungry. Sometimes I got a little headache, but I feel pretty good today. Thank you very much, Chris. How you feeling today, Chris? Good? Well, it said blows kiss, so I don't know what kind of whistle. It says blows kiss, dude. I read whistle and it said kiss. Oh god, dude. Oh man. let's just be glad I don't have a teleprompter on me and I'm sitting here and like, you know, I'm on the news and all of a sudden this dude's like, hey man, he blew a whistle. And I'm like, oh, he blew me a kiss. And he blew a kiss and I'm like, this dude blew a whistle. Yeah, devil's advocate. I also have no idea where that one came from, man. Blowing kisses, blowing whistles, all the same thing. I guess if you're blowing a kiss at me, man, I might have to blow the whistle on that one or something. I don't know. Sorry, Julia. I love my Chiefs and can't stand the Patriots. Well, dude, you guys know more about it than I do. And stop losses. Something, Frank, I missed it, man. I'm back down here now. Platforms like Coinbase and Robinhood, when do they give you a tax paperwork after you I sell or on anything I own? And what do I get taxed on? So you're going to get taxed on whatever you sell, Saif. You're not going to get taxed on unrealized gains. You're going to get taxed on realized gains and realized losses. I believe Weebles is not going to be ready for another couple weeks, but you can go into your account and look up when the tax documents will be available. I do not know when the tax documents are going to be available, if it's on an individual basis or if everybody's going to be released at a certain point in time and so on. This is why I'm sitting on the sideline right now, because I don't want to I don't want my last two trades wiped out, and the market for quarter one in general scares. Yeah, rocket. And I'm telling you right now, man, if you don't feel confident, you're going to have to get lucky. And don't base your trades on getting lucky. Okay? If you don't feel confident, man, don't pull the trigger. It's money, like it's guaranteed to stay in your account if you don't make that trade. Don't feel like you have to get lucky. No joke on that, man. Don't feel like you have to get lucky ever. That'll kill your account faster than anything. Not me, bro. I'm 100% more likely to post my losses than gains. I tell my friend I make 100K. He's like, wow, you're so cocky with an a-hole. And I tell him I lose 60K and he laughs, you suck, bro. Or that sucks, bro. Yeah. It's ridiculous, man. It's ridiculous. You're built different, though. Devil's advocate, you're built different. Everybody else, man, they want to make like they're 100% winning traders and so on. Freddie! Thank you very much, Freddie, for the super sticker. I got you, Freddie. Thank you very much, Freddie. Appreciate that super sticker, man. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is why you do not follow any potential advice that ever may be given on this channel right here. I also think that I am a cat. Hey, Clay, is it true Walmart is making their own coin? So I don't know if it's true or not. Okay, Walmart is hiring people to get more involved in the crypto space. They do have some job postings out there for that. At this time, it would be speculation on whether or not Walmart is creating their own coin. I do believe Walmart wants to get involved in the metaverse in some way, but as far as I know, Walmart has not made any actual announcements as to whether or not they are releasing their own coin. Hey, I'm feeling great. No work because it's like -20 AMC green. Still poor though. Yeah, man, same here. It's all good. But it's freezing outside, so I don't want to go out and spend any money. So win-win, I guess. Chris, perfect, man. Always a win-win on that one, dude. You got your money. You can't go outside and spend it. It means you're going to save your money. Yeah, Mitch, people prefer comfort to jealousy, and so telling losses usually is more of a nice experience between friends than sharing gains. Yeah, you're probably right on that, Devil's Advocate. Devil's Advocate getting into the psychology of that, but he's probably right. Oh no, just got onto the stream. That was scary. Caesar, you know you liked it, dude. He did. Andrew, something missed that. Please don't meow again. I'll have a nightmare now. Peaceful Orion. Well, somebody sends a cat. I'm going to have to meow. Alan! Thank you, Alan. Thank you, Alan. Thank you, Alan. Hey, Alan, guess what, man? Thank you, Alan. Thank you very much, Alan. Absolutely appreciate that. Oh, my gosh. I love it when you guys just send a nice little thank you, Alan, over here. Appreciate you, man. Glad you're having a good day today. Y'all are amazing. This is not financial advice. You're amazing, Isawu. Isawu, you're amazing. Ooh, Gizla got that green name. Thank you very much, Gizla. You guys know what to do right now. 168. Welcome, Gizlas, to the chat right now. Thank you very much for grabbing that green name. I love all the green names, guys. Green names are the best names. Alan, you bet. Thank you, Alan. Appreciate you again, man. Gizla, guys, you know what to do right now. Listen, even if you don't normally type in the chat, do not be afraid to say welcome to Gizla. I appreciate every single person who supports the stream, grabs that green name, and this is one of the best ways we can do as bros, just to go out there and say welcome, show them support for showing the stream support. Appreciate you so much, Gizla. Thank you, and watch all the welcomes roll in for you, man. Wow, man, you think you're better than me? Because your sacks right off as large, you jerk. Alan! Alan becoming a bro too. Alan, thank you very much for grabbing that green name, man. You guys know what to do. 168 of you better be saying welcome to Gizla and to Alan. Thank you guys both for becoming a bro and grabbing that green name. Come on, come on. It's true, Clay. Ever wonder why sad movie shows and music is so popular? There's a lot of comfort in seeing sadness, hardships worse than your own, especially. No, dude, facts on that. No, I know it, man. I know it. And that's kind of like a twisted mentality to have, or like a, sad mentality to have. Well, my life's not so bad, or I'm not doing so bad because that guy's doing worse than me. But oh no, I know for a fact that people, they flock to that. Welcome to Brotown. Yes, guys. Alan, today's a good day. Today's a great day. Alan and Gizla, thank you guys so much, man. Sammy, thanks for saying welcome. Carlos, we 18. Oh my gosh. AMC back to 18. I love it. I love it. Thank you. Thank you. Alan, thank you, man. Zachariah, Adriana, thank you guys for saying welcome. Jonathan, Frodo, DD214, Miguel, Isa, Wu, Shredder, Saif, Devil's Advocate, Victor, Zachariah, thank you guys very much for welcoming the new bros to the chat. Appreciate you guys just as much that say welcome as the ones that do grab the green names. Was 18. Carlos, it was 18 for a second. Sitting at 1774 right now. Not bad though, guys. Today is a very good looking day. It was above 18. It was sitting at almost $18.20 right there. Shiba Inu coin pulling back a little bit, but this is a relatively flat line here. GameStop still up 15% on the day. AMC up above 10% on the day. Prog trading sideways at $1.48. What do we got? The NASDAQ sitting here at 2.71% up on the day. Farmy sitting at 2066, bouncing back a little bit. Very nice on that one. And we've got, this is the determining factor, guys. What's Sundial doing? Green, still 48.20. Very nice. Sundial's still looking good on that one. Heck yeah. I like this, man. Hopefully, I really hope this sentiment stays into the afternoon and Powell doesn't come out here and rip anything. Coming in the distant future after MOAS, Bro Trailer Park. Facts on that, dude. Facts on that. Real life and metaverse life. Bro Trailer Park could actually happen. Alan, Gizla, Manor, and this is why we are all bros. That love you are getting right now. Facts on that, Freddie. Facts on that. You guys really are, man. You guys really are. Look, so I scroll through Twitter. I see other people in other people's streams too sometimes, man. You guys really are bros. I mean, think about it. You guys really are bros out there. And look, yes, if you're a girl, you can be a bro too. Come on now. You know you can. But, oh, dude, the love and respect we got in here, amazing, man. Wouldn't have it any other way. I'd rather have 200 of you guys, 200 bros in here, than 200,000 people just causing scenes and not liking it. You're a good-looking day. Blows whistle. Oh, God. Why did I read whistle, man? Why did I read whistle? He's blowing a whistle instead of blowing a kiss. Oh, my gosh. Why would I do that? Why would I do that? Blows a whistle instead of blowing a kiss. Oh, my God. No idea who Mitch is talking about. Where's Mitch at? Hey, Clay. Scott Bale called and wants his shirt back. I don't know. This could be his shirt, man. This could be his shirt. Honestly, honest to goodness, it could be his shirt. I got this shirt used. Tanya, thank you very much for the super chat. Tanya, I can't make my eyes turn to money, but you can absolutely screenshot and put some emojis on there. Thank you very much for the super sticker. Really appreciate that, Tanya. Oh my goodness. You guys are amazing. I'm a bro and love the channel. SD, thank you very much. Glad you love the channel, man. And I'm so glad everybody's still supportive of everybody else in here. Nate, I'm telling you, man. I'm a floor bro. Get it. He's a floor bro. I like it. Subconsciously, Clay thinks he needs I don't know what words I'm allowed to say. Whistle handy when reading comments from me about his appearance. Devil's Advocate? That might be where we're at right there. That might be where we're at. Julia Goulet, I'm telling you, it could be this guy's shirt. I don't know. Is Netflix a new coin? No, Netflix is not a coin. Netflix is a company. Netflix does not have a coin. There might be a Netflix coin out there, but it's not directly from Netflix. So keep that in mind too. A little late to the party. What's up, bro? Deuces. What's happening, man? Can you explain why whales are coming in when we're still very uncertain of what's going on happening through March regarding Shiba? Yeah, movement. So I talked a little bit about it today in the video this morning. We got $88 million flowing into Shiba Inu coin right now. A couple reasons, okay? Whales most likely think we are at or nearing a bottom. Now, with the Federal Reserve announcing interest rates today, and we could get some forward guidance today. Now remember, they can go out there, they can sell that 88 million Shiba just as fast as they bought it if they think that Shiba is going to be an added risk. But Shiba is more volatile than the overall crypto market. So if Ethereum falls, they would be better off holding Ethereum than they would Shiba because Shiba is more likely to fall faster. If we get some good news today and we get some direction from the Federal Reserve, we could see a rebound in crypto. And if that's the case, Ethereum could go up, but Shiba should go up more than Ethereum does. You know, although they do walk in lockstep, they're moving in a positive correlation. You know, Ethereum, Bitcoin go up, Shiba goes up as well, but Shiba's been moving faster than the other ones. So the whales could expect some clarity out of the Federal Reserve today. That clarity could drive the market higher, and if the market gets driven higher, they expect Shiba Inu coin to drive higher than the market. Hopefully that made sense, man. Hopefully that made sense. If not, I will gladly rephrase it. Click. That was great. I could see the money in your eyes, Frodo. Good deal, man. Good deal. Let's go. AMC to the moon. Andres, New York. Let's go. What the heck is a Scrooge coin? We got people in here that like Scrooge coin, Julia Goulet. I don't know if they're in here right now or not, but we do have people in here that do like Scrooge coin. We've got, what? Uniform Radio, man? Brigade above brigade? Brigade above brigade? What? Brigade above and brigade below. Something about that, Shredder? I don't even know. I don't think Clay would ever fight against it if he ever saw Sam. Dude is a man rocket. Fight against. Okay, now I know what I'm not fighting against. I mean, I could blow the whistle out of. Never mind. So essentially, higher risk but higher reward for the whales. That's a lot for the response. Thanks a lot for that. Oh yeah. Hopefully it made sense, dude. You are correct. Okay. They would not be pouring into Shiba if they expected it all to be going down right now. They have to expect some sort of a bounce, and they're going to get a higher reward for holding Shiba as opposed to holding Ethereum. Scrooge Coin is a great project. It's a great idea to give it. Check it out. What the heck? Check it out, man. Scrooge Coin. There we go. Clay, what's for lunch? Starving. Victor, I'm actually not that hungry, man. So I don't know what's for lunch. I might eat some leftovers. I got some leftover chicken still, and I think I got some leftover salmon. More like Scrooge Coin. Am I right? Pika pika. You might be right. I don't know. I don't know anything about Scrooge Coin right now. Shiba, pack your bags to the tippy tops. Who cares what the Fed says? Taxes or interest go up. Who gives a darn? We'll be paying them with our millions you didn't have. We are the markets. Let's rip. Greenie. It's inspirational. I like it, Greenie. Okay, what the heck? I will try. Thank you. Very nice. Has anyone heard of Banks Coin? I've not, Nate F. Can you tell us what you do between 1 p.m. and 3 p.m.? Do you leave the house? Do you go somewhere? Mitch, more often than not, no, man. I don't leave the house. So it all depends on the day and depends on what I'm feeling like. Normally, I take a minute. I have been talking for, I don't know, hour and a half or whatever. So I'll go down there. I'll get some lemonade or, depending on the day, you know, whatever the ice is that I choose to drink that day. So I'll chill out for about 20 minutes or so. Might do a little workout in between. If not, then I'll just like read different articles and scroll through Twitter, see what people are talking about, see what's going on with there. Make sure I'm not missing anything that's going on. If any huge movers are happening in the stock market, kind of take a look at that. But I'm going to tell you right now, from 1 to 3, it goes a lot faster than you think. And for a while there, I was recording another video in between the live streams. I haven't done that recently. I haven't done that in over a month. But I was recording another video in between the live streams there. So then it was basically time to go live again. Clint, it's been a while. Who is your daddy and what does he do? Let ET 2010. I can tell you my daddy is not Jerome Powell or Wall Street. I have no idea what he does. Banks coin, pretty sure it's like the actual, pretty much like actual coins, like pennies and quarters and whatnot. Dimes and nickels as well, man. Peak of power. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Peak of Power. Thank you very much for that super sticker. Yeah, I don't know. That guy's not saying anything in that one, so it was a silent one. Pika. Like the super sticker. Thank you. Clipper, check DM and Twitter for $signs. Let's go. Freddie's got a DM in Twitter. Do I have Twitter open right now? Oh, I actually don't have Twitter open right now. I don't have Twitter open right now. I'll check in 5 minutes, man. I'll check it in 5 minutes. Meat sweets. What? Meat sweats? Gross, dude. Oh, dude, meat sweats? What? Matt caught the meat sweats yesterday. No meat? Yeah, meat? No meat. I don't know. Meat sweats. I don't know what that is, dude. Is that like condensation? Or what is a meat sweat? I don't even know. Computer, give me a hassle again. Crypto Rocketeer, welcome to my life. Computer's always giving me a hassle, man. Clay's the expert on dimes, eh? He's a 10. Ooh, nice. I like it. Yeah, dimes and nickels, baby. Tesla earnings today too. We got a lot going on. Mitch, very good. What are they? Did they already announce it, or are they announcing Tesla earnings after the close? I guess we need you to document a day in the life of Claybro, the live 24-hour special. Outdoor smile. I'm gonna tell you right now, it'd be a boring day, dude. You guys see my day right here. The rest is just me looking stuff up to record videos. It means that you eat too much meat. I typically eat meat every day, so I don't know how you could eat too much. Clint, do you still live in your parents' basement? Yeah. Mom! No, mom's not home right now. Meat sweats are when you start sweating when you eat too much. Is this for real? Is this for real? Is it like not joking with you eat so much meat that you start sweating? I don't even know if you're kidding right now or not. Hello, man. I just want to know what's your age. I think you're in early 30s. If that's true, why you lost that much hairs? Yeah, it is true, man. So I am 32. I actually don't think I've lost any hair. Maybe I could go down there and find a picture, like a senior picture or something. Dude, it's not the hairline, like I'm losing hair or anything. It's honestly just like what the hair is. Okay? It's honestly just like what the hairline is. It's not that I'm losing any hair at all. I probably had the same hairline when I was like 2 years old. Not losing any hair. At least I don't think I am. Guys, go scroll back to like the first video. Did I lose hair over the last year? What's going on now? Now I'm worried. Oh yeah, Claybro vlog. What I eat in a day and what I do in a day. Guys, you want to know what I do in a day? All right, we get 3 minutes. I wake up, I take a shower. After the shower, well, you know, I pee and brush my teeth and all that stuff. So then I'm downstairs. I'll usually drink some coffee. And I'll start looking through, I'll look at the markets, I'll look at Twitter, see what's going on. I'll look up, see if there's any articles, see if any of these guys, if Aaron tweeted anything, and if Shiba, Milkshake, Shitoshi, if any of those guys tweeted anything. If they do, great. I can start to get an idea of what is going to be talked about during the day. If they didn't, I'm just scrolling through the feeds to see what everybody else is talking about, so I might be able to get a jump on it and see what's kind of like popular and what people are going to be asking questions about during the live streams. So I do that, and really, honestly, about that time, you know, the morning goes very quickly. If I eat anything, I don't eat much for breakfast. Then I do the live stream. Then after that, like I say, I take a minute, I kind of chill out, do the same exact thing, see what people are talking about, try to stay up on the trending topics, all that good stuff. And then the afternoon also goes very fast. You know, there might be, if I do have to go to the post office, I go to the post office in the afternoon. If I have to go to the store and grab something, I go to the store, go grab something. And then if I have some time, I want to work out, I'll work out, I'll do something like that. Then I'll live stream again. Then after that, I go downstairs, and since I've already done at least one video, so I do one video before the live stream. I forgot about that in the morning. I do the video before the live stream in the morning, post that, go live. And then in the evening, we finish at 5 o'clock, and then I start looking stuff up for what I'm going to talk about in those videos. Usually from about I'd say 5:30 to 7, I'm getting ready and posting all of these videos, doing the descriptions, recording them, and getting those posted. After that, it's 7 o'clock, 7:30 or whatever, and I got to eat something because I didn't eat all day. So I figure out what I'm going to eat, maybe start to cook, and by that time, I'm eating at like 8:30, and then chill out for, honestly, a couple hours, maybe 8:30 to 10:30 or so, and then it's bedtime. And then it's game on again tomorrow. So that's a day in the life of Clay Bro. Much more boring than you guys thought, I know, but that's what it is. And it is 1 o'clock, guys. It is 1 o'clock. So we are going to take off, and we will be back in about 2.5 hours or so. We're going to be back in the 3 o'clock hour. Thank you guys very much. We know Clay's day is very slow. We all learned from the forum upstairs, and he sat at the table. Dude, I'm telling you right now, the day is not like super slow, but the day is like slow but full of action. Sounds like a full schedule for someone most people would call a jobless, lazy YouTube streamer and crap on for making money on YouTube. Weird, almost like it's a job and takes real work. I'm going to tell you this, dude. I've had jobs before, and I think it's because of the dedication and just the fact that I enjoy doing this so much, but I put in a lot of effort doing this. So, Clay doesn't bite his nails. No, I did not bite my nails. Shut up. Thank you. Grief is nature's most powerful aphrodisiac. Julia, is that true? Is that true? For real? Let's see. When bro shirt. Oh. Yeah, Freddie, that's a good question, man. I should do that today because I'm not going to lie. I forgot about that. I'm glad you reminded me. I should try to take that to the post office today. Dang it. All right, Freddie, thank you for reminding me on that one. AMC chat, guys, get the names in the chat. We'll get those shout-outs going. Freddie just hit me with a curveball. So now, the day that I just told you guys about should most likely change. AMC Trapper, peace out to the diamond-handed apes. Julia Gulia, that one dude. Mitch, Crypto Rocketeer. Boom, baby, dabbing on him like always. Alice in Wonderland, Esau, Woo, Pika Power, Victor Pringleton, Julia Gulia, Devil's Advocate, Frank, Caesar, Reality Rhino, what the heck? All of you guys. Who else we got in here? Can't scroll. I can scroll. Indonesian man, Dunnell. Enjoy your afternoon. Shredder, Moomin, Indonesian. Mitch, I saw all that. That one dude, Nufo, Esau, Woo, Cassie, Saif. See you later, Lord Links. Have a good day. What the heck? Reality Rhino. All of you guys, enjoy your day. Now, if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time. Hoped it. Oh my gosh. Victor says, I'm not going to mic drop, but I will tell Victor right in his ear for some good old, what is it, ASMR? Victor, if you guys want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.